Hello and welcome to Maths with Mr Amison. In this video we will be doing a multiple choice question quiz on how to find averages from a list. If you need to recap this topic, then please watch Mr Chowdhury's videos. Question 1. Which of these lists has a range of 7? So the answer to this is C. The range is the difference between the largest and the smallest value in the list. Question 1 goes up to 7, but the lowest number is a 3. Therefore, the range of this list is 4. 7 take away 3 is 4. This list, it has a range of 9 take away 1, which is 8. This list, 8 is the largest, 1 is the smallest, 8 take away 1 is 7, therefore this list has a range of 7. This list, 7 take away 2 is 5, therefore the range of that list is 5. Question 2. Which of these lists has a mode of 7? The answer here is D. The mode is the most common value. So in this list, the most common value, the mode is 7. In every other list, this has 7, but it's just as common as every other number. Therefore, it has no mode. This list has a mode of 1. This list doesn't have 7 in it at all. So it has to be this one. Question 3. The following list has a median of 27. What is the missing value? So this is a tricky question, but the actual answer here is 31. This list doesn't follow a pattern. It's not 22, 23, 32, 33. The median is the middle value. Now, this list has 4 numbers in it. So the middle value, if these numbers are in order, the middle value would be in between the second and third value. Alright? Which would mean that the next highest number, because you have to have an ordered list, the next highest number would have to be the same amount away from 27 as the 23. So the 23 is 4 less than 27, so the next number should be 4 more than 27, which is 31. Because the median would be the average of these two middle numbers. 23 plus 31 is 54, and half of 54 to get the average is 27. Question 4. Which of these lists of numbers has a mean that is double its mode? So in this question, you have to recognize that the mean is when you add the numbers up and divide by how many there are. So in this first question, 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 10 more, that's 21. 21 divided by 4, well, that's an awkward number. 21 divided by 4 is 5 and a little bit, but the mode here is 5. It's nowhere near double. Here, the mean, 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. Well, this is 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 6 is 16. And there are 4 numbers, so 16 divided by 4 is 4. And the mode here is, well, it doesn't really have a mode. It's got 2, which is just as common as 6. So it doesn't work. For this question, we have 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's 9. Plus 7 is 16, plus 14 is 30. Now, there are 5 numbers, so if we do 30 divided by 5, 30 divided by 5 is 6. Its mode, its most common number, is 3. So its mean, 6, is double its mode, 3. Therefore, it is C. Question 5. What is the upper quartile of this list of numbers? So to do this question really is quite tricky. The first thing you need to do when you find medians or quartiles is you need to put these numbers in order. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, well, 2 1s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 6, 7, 8. Now then we need to look at how many numbers there are. So you can either find out how many numbers there are, add 1 and divide by 2 to find the median number, or you can start crossing them off from the ends. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So if we add 1 and divide by 2, that tells us that the median number will be the 6th number. And if we wanted the lower quartile, instead of dividing that 12 by 2, we could divide it by 4, because quartiles are quarters of the data. So the lower quartile would be the 3rd number, which means the upper quartile would be 3 of the lower quartile, so the 3/69th number, or the median number plus the lower quartile position, median position plus the lower quartile position, so the 9th position, or 3 before the end of the data. Now if the last 3 numbers here in these 11 numbers are 6, 7 and 8, the upper quartile would be in the position where the number 6 is. Therefore the upper quartile is 6. It would be useful if you wrote down that question rather than just listening to me talking about it. You could visualize it more there. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Bye for now.